The topic for today is corrosion as an electrolytic process. Some metals react with oxygen and moisture in the air. Corrosion as an electrolytic process. Some metals react with oxygen and moisture in the surrounding air to form oxides. This causes the metal to gradually deteriorate. This process is called corrosion. Since many things around us, like vehicles and part of buildings, are made of metals, corrosion is therefore of great economic importance. Iron is the most common metal around us. The corrosion of iron is called rusting. Rusting is an electrochemical process. Iron rusts when it comes into contact with air and water. At the anode or anodic reaction, iron is oxidized to iron 2. Iron 2 ions. Iron going to iron 2 plus 2 electrons. At the cathode, oxygen dissolves in water layer. This makes the concentration of oxygen in the water to be higher. The oxygen is reduced by the electrons from the anode to give hydroxide ion. Oxygen plus water plus 2 electrons to give hydroxide ion. The iron 2 and hydroxide ion diffuse away from the anodic and cathodic regions and settle down as iron 2 hydroxide. This is further oxidized by the dissolved oxygen to form brown hydrated iron 3 oxide, according to this equation, or rust. Rust breaks off easily as it is soft. Addition of salt will increase rusting. Cathodic protection. We can protect an object from rusting by coating it with another metal that does not corrode easily. Both zinc and tin are used to coat iron objects. A tin-plated iron container corrodes faster than a galvanized iron container when subjected to the same amount of handling. Tin-plated iron is when the iron is coated with tin, while galvanized iron is when the iron is coated with zinc. Part of the tin or zinc coat may become broken. The holes in them fill with trioxocarbonate 4 acid formed by the dissolving of carbon 4 oxide in the atmospheric moisture. Hence, simple electrochemical cells will be set up. In tin-plated iron, the iron is the anode, dilute acid is the electrolyte, and tin is the cathode. In galvanized iron, zinc is the anode, dilute acid is the electrolyte, while iron is the cathode. Example. Number 1. Which of the following methods is applicable in preventing corrosion? A. Plating with another metal. B. Dipping in water. C. Exposing the metal to air. D. Dipping the metal with salt solution. The correct answer is option A. Plating with another metal, because it will prevent corrosion. Option B to D cannot prevent corrosion. Number 2. Which of the following process will increase corrosion? A. Preventing air from entering. B. Painting the metal. C. Dipping the metal in a salt solution. And D. Electroplating the metal. Option A cannot be the answer because preventing air from entering will prevent corrosion. Option B cannot be the answer because painting the metal will prevent corrosion. Option C is the correct answer because dipping the metal in a salt solution will increase corrosion. Option D cannot be the answer because electroplating the metal will prevent corrosion. Number 3. Corrosion in metals is an example of A. Electrochemical process, B. Half-cell reaction, C. Metal plating device, D. Metal coupling device. Option A is the correct answer, electrochemical process. Option B to D cannot be the correct answer because they are not example of corrosion.